Hello and welcome to our video on how to lose weight with a processed food-free diet. Are you tired of trying every diet out there but still struggling to lose weight? Well, you're not alone. Many people find it challenging to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle, especially when they're surrounded by processed and unhealthy food options. However, making the switch to a processed food-free diet can make a significant impact on your health and help you shed those extra pounds. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of a processed food-free diet and provide you with practical tips on how to lose weight and live a healthier life. Eating a diet that's high in processed foods has been linked to various health issues such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Processed foods are often loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and additives that can wreak havoc on our health and make it harder to lose weight. Switching to a processed food-free diet can help you lose weight, improve your health, and feel better overall. Here are some practical tips on how to lose weight with a processed food-free diet. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. When you're on a processed food-free diet, it's essential to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are rich in nutrients and will provide your body with the fuel it needs to function correctly. Plan your meals ahead of time. Planning your meals ahead of time is crucial when you're on a processed food-free diet. This will help you stay on track and avoid unhealthy food options when you're in a rush. Try meal prepping on the weekends, so you have healthy meals ready to go throughout the week. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks are one of the leading contributors to weight gain and other health issues. Swap out sugary drinks, such as soda, juice, and sports drinks, for water, tea, or coffee. These drinks will keep you hydrated and help you avoid the added sugar. Read food labels. When you're on a processed food-free diet, it's essential to read food labels carefully. Avoid foods that contain added sugar, artificial sweeteners, and other unhealthy additives. Look for foods that are minimally processed and made with whole, natural ingredients. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating is a powerful tool for weight loss and overall health. When you're eating, pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Slow down, chew your food thoroughly, and enjoy every bite. This will help you avoid overeating and make healthier food choices. Thanks for watching our video on how to lose weight with a processed food-free diet. By making the switch to a processed food-free diet, you can improve your health, lose weight, and feel better overall. Remember to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Plan your meals ahead of time. Avoid sugary drinks. Read food labels, and practice mindful eating. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any comment, then leave it below in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.